Kana with Reusip. I'm going to be showing you guys how to install one of our reusable and lockable dust barrier zippers. Start with the mounting strip refill. Remove the release paper from the mounting strip. Firmly press the adhesive side to your barrier to attach it. Now grab your dust barrier zipper, unroll it, firmly press it against your mounting strip to attach it. Now unzip your zipper. Using a utility blade, cut down the center of your mounting strip and through the barrier to create your opening. Your dust barrier entry is now ready for use. To deter unwanted entry, you can lock your zipper by utilizing a zip tie or cable lock and running it through the zipper head and our built-in grommet. When your project's complete, easily remove your dust barrier zipper, roll it up, and save it for use on your next project.